Hi, I hope you're having a great day or you had a great day depending on where you're at in it. I'm glad you're here. So, today I wanted to share a pulse meditation. It's very simple, exactly what it sounds. We're just going to be, you can do this with either hand, right or left, doesn't matter which. You're going to place four fingers on the pulse in your wrist, and with each beat, I was going to say pulse and beat at the same time. With each beat of your heart, you're going to mentally recite Sat Nam. Now, you can whisper this, you can say it out loud if that helps you focus, if that's something you're working on. Feel free to say it out loud, to whisper if you need to do that to start, or if you want to rotate through it to add some different ways or some if you're like checking in with your meditation, seeing how each resonates with you, feel free to do that as well. That's perfectly fine. Eyes are going to be lightly closed and we're going to be focusing at the brow point. You can also focus at the heart center because this meditation helps us to connect to our authentic selves or go deeper with that connection. It also helps with scattered minds, and it can be a really good meditation at bedtime because it helps you settle down. It's a very calming meditation. So, this is in the Kundalini yoga practice. So we'll go ahead and rub our hands together. I'm just going to tune in with a long Om. Go ahead and tune in any way you prefer. If it's not a long Om, just pause here. Come back to us whenever you're ready. Close your eyes. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, exhale. We'll tune in with one long Om. Om. Okay. And then go ahead and shake out your hands, ring your fingers. We'll just be doing 3 minutes today. Let me know if you'd like an 11-minute version posted as well. I'm happy to post that. Otherwise, I'm just going to be posting the 3 minutes. All right, and then timer started. Okay, so go ahead and bring four fingers onto your pulse. Go ahead and find it. Close your eyes. And it's just going to be long, deep breathing. And then again, with each beat of your heart, you're just going to mentally whisper or out loud recite Sat Nam. And Sat Nam is one beat, so not Sat on one beat, Nam on another beat, Sat Nam on for each beat of the heart. And you can just have your hands gently in your lap if that feels more comfortable. I've got mine up a little bit because that's more comfortable for me in my seated position. And of course, it's a regular meditative posture. Remember long, deep breathing. If you have anything that arises, just focus on your breath. Keep reciting Sat Nam, of course, with the beat of the heart. Focus on deepening that breath. Please don't feel stressed if your heartbeat is faster or slower. Just focus on deepening your breath. If you want to slow it down, keep reciting Sat Nam with each beat. Okay, perfect. Go ahead and bring your hands into your lap. Inhale deeply, exhale fully. And then we're just going to do one round of holding the root lock. So go ahead and inhale nice and deep. Hold the breath in, pull the root lock. Exhale through the mouth. And then return to nice, long, deep breathing. With eyes closed, go ahead and rub your palms together. We'll go ahead and close out with just saying Sat Nam. Bring your hands to heart center. Inhale, exhale. And of course, if you need to sit longer, please take the time to do so. And then we'll inhale, bow forward slightly. Bring your thumbs to your third eye, Sat Nam. And then back to heart center rather. I hope you found this meditation helpful. I just wanted to do a shorter one today that's more gentle, pretty calming. We're just saying Sat Nam with the beat of our heart, noticing our pulse, which we don't often do. Take a moment to just be, allow our mind to calm down. Help us go to sleep if needed. So again, thank you for joining me. I hope you found this helpful. See you soon.